I'm going to attempt to make some little bird's nests. I'm using chocolate with pretzels, and for the inside, I'm going to use coconut. I'm going to use the green food coloring to make it green, and I have some little Easter eggs. So I have to melt the chocolate and then mix the chocolate with the pretzels. And then after I put it in the pan, I put it in the refrigerator for maybe 15 minutes until it firms up. Oh, after I melted the chocolate, I also added some crunchy peanut butter. I use crunchy peanut butter, but you could use the cream if you want to, the creamy one. A few of them broke, but it's all right. The kids ate them anyways. Look how beautiful those are. The children will love them.